Hey there, my handsome and pretty little Cobras, and welcome back to the Cobras nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. So today's minimalism video is going to be my desk tour. I filmed one of these last year and that performed really well. You guys really enjoyed it. You guys know that my desk, even though I am a minimalist, you guys might not know this, but I'm actually a YouTuber. So I do a lot of editing and filming. I'm also a virtual teacher, so I do a lot of computer and tech, and you guys also know that I love tech. So for a minimalist, this is an area that I actually have a lot of, so I just figured I'm going to show you guys what an actual realistic minimalistic desk tour looks like. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. Ooh. So this is what she's looking like, and I'm actually going to show you guys piece by piece what I have. I also have a PR package that I'm going to be showing you guys shortly, but more on them later. So this is what my desk looks like. Yeah, obviously the lamp is there because we're filming, but yeah, this is exactly what my minimalistic desk looks like. You guys know that I do like a very like brown and then white and black aesthetic, so that is primarily what my desk is. I tried to make it beige by adding the brown, didn't really work, so I did my best, guys. So let's just kind of go through what the desk looks like. So here we have the chair. The chair is not mine, the chair is the landlord's, but I did spice it up with my own pieces. So I got this fake vegan fur sheep throw from IKEA. This was only like $9, really good. This is my winter scarf, but sometimes it gets really cold down here in the basement, so I have to keep myself warm while I'm teaching classes. So yeah, I also have that. And then I got this cushion. It's for like chairs on the patio, as you guys can see, but I needed extra cushion, so I got it, and obviously it got in a beige. If you guys saw my other room tour, I did show it in that one, so that's that, also from IKEA. Most of my stuff is actually from IKEA, so yes, you guys know I love a Swedish minimalistic vibe. Okay, so that's that. On the side, I have this little, I don't even know what you would call this, a mini boudoir. So on this, I have things that I need to immediately grab because I don't really want stuff on my desk, but I do need something on the side. So here I have like my Apple boxes, then I have some books that sometimes I like to read. So yeah, I have like my crypto book, my YouTube notes, my diary, some like mindfulness reading, the Mindfulness Revolution, and my stocks book, which I have to have on quick access. Then at the bottom are all my sketchbooks, because you guys know I like to sketch. Then moving on to the desk. So the desk, the main staple, this is the Mickey from IKEA, and it has two separate drawers. This might look like it's part of it, but it's actually not. It's actually just a separate drawer. I think I got this for $99. The desk was $120. I bought this almost over 10 years ago, so I don't know if they still sell it or if it's still that price. So let's just kind of take a look at what's in the drawers, and then we'll go on what's on the desk. So this is what it looks like. Obviously very empty, minimalistic. I'm not trying to brag, guys. This is actually what it looks like. I know that I've always said I don't approve of people making it look a certain kind of way when it doesn't actually look like that, but it's actually what it looks like. I mentioned that I wanted to keep my desk a lot more minimalistic, so that actually ended up turning out that way. So over here I have a little container for my ear pods. I edit a lot, so I need two of them. When one of them dies and is charging, I need the second one. I actually have 3 pairs, so yeah, I keep my other ones. When these are dead, I need a third one, so I keep this cute little tray. It's actually from Rosefield. It was from my watch, and I was like, it's a very cute box, so I ended up keeping it, and I just keep my headphones in there. Then I have some stickies. You guys know that I went out and I bought like the white stickies. It's actually really funny because I wanted to make the aesthetic match. It's pretty shameless, but let's just say YouTube made me do it. This is for a cup when I'm like drinking, so that goes there so it doesn't burn the table. Hand cream lippy thingy for dry lips. Technical stuff, my hair clip when I'm video editing and my hair gets in my way, like a little wipey thingy for wiping down the screens. This is a Seagate Terabyte. It's amazing. I highly recommend the Seagate. When I wanted to buy this 5 years ago, they were so expensive. Buying a terabyte was just unbelievable. It's just crazy how much technology has advanced. This was $50, guys, and it's 1 terabyte. So all my videos and stuff, they're on there, and then I just plug it into my computer when I need to access them. So the next drawer has a bit more. Then I have like a notebook for writing down things. Here's all my pens for highlighting and writing. Then over here I have like miscellaneous stuff for when I put my jewelry and I'm working. Sometimes I just put it there. Tape for taping stuff on the board. My eye drops. I don't know, guys, it ended up turning out really aesthetic. Don't ask. It was totally unintentional. Okay, let's start with the desk. I know that's what you guys are here for. Okay, so let's start from this end. So over here is the charging station. There are both USB-Cs. I have my iPad. It's the iPad mini. Some of you guys have asked me what I got. So I got the 6. This is the 6 series. It's amazing. The case is from Amazon, and the pencil, the Apple Pencil, is actually not the Apple Pencil. It's a Tragus, which is a Canadian brand, and it's amazing. It also connects via, it's like a magnet, and it just like magnetically attaches just like that. Amazing. amazing. I love it. And I'll show you guys what my lock screen looks like. It's so beautiful. I love ocean beigey type of vibe things. So yeah, really good. Over here, you guys are wondering what is this weird contraption? Okay, so this is the dongle or the USB hub, because you guys know that the Macs don't have those ports, so I had to buy one of those. Also because I needed the HDMI to have, or like the double monitor screen. If you guys are wondering what this is a Canadian brand. This is iCan, and it has the HDMI, the SD, 2 USBs, and 1 power director. I don't use the power director. I have seen way too many reviews of people saying the power director would fry your computer, so I always just make sure I have either like the USB hub connected, and then I use the separate power drive. So yeah, that's that. I also copped this tiny little nub. There's times where I'm taking my computer and I'm like outside, so I don't want to take the entire hub with me. I just need the nub for running the mouse, the wireless mouse. So I just bought also Canada. I like buying local. I like buying Canadian brands. They're really good. So that just gets connected to that. If you guys are wondering what this is literally my like selfie stick, and it's the perfect height for my computer. So that's what I use it when I'm not filming. It holds my USB hub. Okay, so let's talk the actual gear, what is going on here. So the main brain of the table is the MacBook. So I have the MacBook Air, the 2020 series. I was really holding out and I really wanted to buy the latest one that just dropped, the M2. But when I bought this, I think it was still April, and I thought it would drop in September. I couldn't wait that long. I needed a computer. You guys saw that the ones I kept buying kept breaking on me, so I was like, okay, screw it, we're just gonna buy it. So I bought it, and to be honest, I don't regret it. It's extremely workhorse. It is a 16 GB RAM. She runs like a freaking dream. I love it. She's so beautiful. She's so light. She's 13 inches. She's amazing. I love it a lot. If you're wondering what this little sticker is, I wanted a white aesthetic to match the white stuff that I have going on. So this is actually from Mosimo. It's from Amazon. You guys can get it if you do want that. It has like a little hole here for putting like the finger connection. So yeah, if you guys are wondering, yeah, Natty Baby, and then literally the thing again in a picture. So the other monitor that I have, this is a Dell. Will got this for me. So they're both on the smaller side, which is really good. So I just connect via the HDMI, and then I have 2 screens. I'm not going to turn it on. It's a whole thing. I have to turn that on, connect that on. It's a double monitor, nothing that you guys probably have not seen. This thing was actually also a gift from Will's best friend. He bought 2 of them and he got one for free. So he's like, you guys want it? So I got it. Well, he gave it to us, and I was like, yeah, I'll take it. It's really nice because when I'm not using the keyboard, I'm able to like store it in here, and then it doesn't get as dusty. But I was doing work earlier today, so that's why everything is out. It's really nice because it has little compartments, so you can just like put your stuff in there. Yeah, okay, so let's talk about these things that are here. So this is the Logitech keyboard in the off-white, and it can pair with 3 devices. I have it paired to my MacBook, and I have it also paired to my iPad mini, so that's really good. I guess if I had an iPhone, it could pair to the iPhone, but like I don't have one, so it doesn't pair with that. It has like an on and off button here, and it's wireless, which is really good because one of the issues that I had with my previous computer setup was it was mounted and it had way too many cables. It was like the keyboard had a cable, the mouse had a cable, it was like that had a cable. It was just way too many cables, and it was just driving me absolutely insane. So this is the Mac variant. So I don't know if it comes with a Windows variant. I tried really hard to find a Windows variant, but I couldn't. So yeah, this is the Mac one. Over here, this is the Magic Trackpad. I recently upgraded. This is a very new purchase. You guys have probably seen it in my vlogs. Yeah, it's freaking amazing. This is the second series. The second series has like a little on and off button. Apparently the previous series doesn't. I don't know. Comment down below. I'm new to the Apple system, so I really don't know. I don't know much about the first variant. So yeah, I put it on top of this little cloth because sometimes I need to like slide it around where it needs to go because it has like a rubber like track. It's too much work, so I literally just drag the thing. So yeah, let's take a look at my mouse. My mouse is extremely old. This is also Logitech, and it's wireless, and she's a beast. I've had this since 2020, and the wireless connection reaches here, and it works like a dream. At first I didn't like it because it used to be black, and most of the things that I owned were like another color, but now that my setup is like a black and white aesthetic, it actually matches, so I was like, I'm not mad. Okay, all right, and for today's sponsorship, not sponsorship, it's a gifted product. They sent it to me for free. It is these Blu-ray glasses, and they're absolutely stunning. They're so gorgeous. You guys have probably seen me unbox this on my Instagram. It has a rose gold trimming. The company is Zeph. They're really good. I asked for Blu-ray because you guys know that I do a lot of computer work, so I need something to protect my eyes. I actually asked my eye doctor if that's a thing. He says it's just really good for like controlling your melatonin for like sleeping, so you sleep better, and I do find I sleep better. So if you are worried about it like messing up your eyes, according to my doctor, you don't really need light glasses, but hey, if you want a good sleep, why not? I'll link the link down below and you guys can check out the website. This is what the box looks like. It's so freaking pretty. It's also like a wood aesthetic, like a beige aesthetic, so I ended up keeping it because it matches my mouse pad and it matches my board. So it just opens up there. It comes with a cloth and all the little things. It's really nice. I actually really recommend it. It has a lot of weight to it. I know that on camera it looks plastic and it looks cheap, but to my surprise, I know that sounds horrible, but it's actually really good quality. Like the metal is very hard and it's very firm, and the little squishy pads, it's very comfortable. I highly recommend these. They were very comfortable. Let me put them on. So that is what they look like. You guys can see it has like a slight bit of glare. I wanted something that was like on the rounder side. There's a lot of different styles you guys can pick. I wanted something round just because I feel like it suits my face really well. I think it makes the rest of my face look really petite and cute. So that is what they look like. I went for clear obviously because I like a very minimal vibe and I like rose gold. I think it's very feminine. So thank you so much to Zeph for sponsoring today's video. Much appreciated. Thank you. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna look at is my board. So this is a cork board. The original color of this was actually beige, but when I was painting my room white, if you guys saw in the video, I also ended up painting it. So it has like this white like pop, and it's just so pretty because it's like, this is brown, this is white, and this is beige. Like it's just a color story that I'm here for. I put my little white totoro here. This used to be my subway card when I lived in China. I used to like flip it on my bag and then beep when I'd go in, but since I live now in Toronto in the suburbs, I don't take the subway, so I just made him my decoration. He's like white aesthetic. He's my favorite. I like the little white one. Comment down below which is your favorite totoro. This one is mine. So yeah, I have a lot of sticky notes and post-its of things that like I need to do, need to film, whatever. I also have like my overall annual calendar. So right now we are in June, so I just like check. I don't know, it makes me feel centered and motivated when I have something that gives me like structure in my life. This is my lamp. It's white, it's gorgeous. It's actually from Canadian Tire. I know that's like so weird. You'd think this looks very like IKEA, but it's actually not. You guys, if you guys watch my previous desk tour, that's when I bought it. I literally bought it for the video. She's still here. Amazing. It's not like tap on here. I wanted one of those, but it wasn't. It has like a side button here where it like turns on and off. I bought it because it was white. I know, hate me guys. Okay, and then the drawer is actually pretty minimalistic too, so let's just go in order. Literally a true minimalist. There's nothing in the first drawer. The next drawer is tissue. You're probably wondering why I have it up here, not here. It doesn't fit. They're actually a little bit different in size. This is smaller, this is bigger, so that's why I put it down here. Cotton ear. I heard these are not good for you. Comment down below if that's true. I still use them. So, and then the next drawer is probably the more important drawer. So this is a lot where like a lot of my technical stuff is. I have a lot of wiring and cables. I have different type of cases. This is my filming case, and sometimes I need a case that has like a prop. So yeah, that's why I have multifunction cases, because you guys know that I film and edit a lot. My phone is really important, so I have a lot more tech related to that. This is an empty box. This was literally from that, but I think I'll probably turn it into a pencil box. I have spare pens and backups. The last drawer is literally tech. Yeah, my life revolved around a lot of tech, guys. So these are my headphones with the extra ear nubs. These are from Miniso. If you guys saw the unboxing video in my vlog, turns out they're actually amazing. I know they look cheap and it's like literally fashion earphones, like what the hell. They're actually really good. They're from Miniso, so if you guys want to go to Miniso, because I think a lot of countries have Miniso. Let me just check. Yeah, it's from Miniso. It's amazing. I love them. I got them in white with silver, which I think is very minimalistic and pretty. I almost got tempted to getting the black and gold, but Will was like, just get it in white, and I'm glad that I did because it's just very clean, really nice. So yeah, that's what that is. I know this is not very like minimalistic, where they're like, you shouldn't keep the boxes and you shouldn't keep the warranties. I don't care. For me, it's important. I like to have the boxes. They have the instruction. They have, you know, like tech is important to me, so I keep these. Okay, so there you have it. That is my desk tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it was inspirational, or at the very least entertaining, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.